Another huge one today.
I am not impressed.
Marcy and I will be split up as they're doing 2 rings.
Even in the house.
Crafts, crafts, crafts. Hey, Paul.
Hey, how's it going?
All right.
That's every year. So that's next year. I'm going to have Savannah and Sierra and I are getting together.
Find everything to brighten your home at Menards. Save big money at Menards.
So proud of me. I said, you know, because we were celebrating from 3 to 7.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
how are you?
Hi.
Yeah,
It's like steaming.
balmy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good glassware.
This one
They're
you're
freaking
freaking
awesome.
I can't help it. It works for me.
Oh, these are sexy.
See these? That's Pyrex.
Oh, is that?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a big owl over here. I'm gonna keep walking. Maria Osmond. Michael Jackson. Groucho. Ironstone. Hey, Vicky.
Hey, Chuck, how are you?
I'm all right.
Beautiful day for an auction.
Yes, it is. Gonna be warm, that's for sure. Wow.
Catch a lot of big muskets with that baby. It'll be a good day. We'll divide it amongst them.
Yeah. Tell her that, and then she'll raise her hand. Yeah, I know. Tell me I got a chance. You're not as fun that way as Kathy is. I don't care. I don't need any of this shit.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, Jimbo.
How you doing?
Good.
You about bought better day on the point?
Yeah, enough. But I'm still looking for more, of course.
They all work. All.
Yeah,
And they got fuel in some of them.
Yeah, that's fine. I ain't gonna start it.
double barrel beef again.
His father and all.
I looked at that.
Was it? At the time. How about top 5 and go? $5 to be now, $5 to go, $5 to be now, $5 2.5. $2.50 but to get $2.5, $1 where? We set a buck and go to get $1 number to $1 to be go $1 number to $1 to be go $1. When you do it, $1 $2, 2, $2, 3. That's 3. Doug, but to get 3 to go 4 to go $4 to be 3 to go 4 to go 4. So $3, Doug, your way right here. 101.
Oh, that's neat. I didn't know that slid out like that.
I never saw one get metal like that.
Yeah, that's pretty neat too. Who's your daddy?
Some of them are brand new, Brenda. Some of them are brand new in there, like muffin tins or something like that. No, for sure.
How's it going?
Cake pans and all. Everything Brenda's got here for $2.50. That's a matching set. Let's sell that separate. 5 to start. And 5, 10, 10 to 10 to 10 to 15 to 10 to 10 to 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 15 to 20, sold at 15 and 25. Now Jeff's got another. 71. What's that lady in the middle there? Plastic. Like chairs. Like chair seats.
Alright, I'm recording. Hello, Mercy.
Hello, background bitter.
This is our carload of stuff. It cost us $110.50. This is our dog with a life preserver on because he just had his junk removed. Well, he just got fixed. And that helps keep him from licking. Oh, look, there's our baby. Box of Agatha Christie books.
Mostly Agatha Christie and Del Shannon, or 4 flats for $1 a box.
You got all 4 flats?
Yeah.
Some dolls.
I know nothing about these dolls. They're made in England. I paid $2.50.
Santa head.
That was $3. But it's
Paper mache. What's that? Just random doodads?
I don't know.
Christmas. Lots of Christmas.
They were $1 a flat.
Because I'm a sucker for amber glass, I got a flat of amber glass. Highball glasses and these smaller ones. And those. More Agatha Christie books. We got the owl. This is a planter, right? This owl thing?
I don't know if that's a cookie jar, but I wanted it for a planter.
And Rubbermaid tub. Oh, there's a bunch of those.
Yeah, there's 3 of them, but they're coming open.
Miscellaneous things in the owl, including another owl. I put some of your things inside this cookie jar. So it's a cool little barn cookie jar. I don't know if there's a brand name on it. These are heavy. Some kind of
stone.
Yeah, there's some kind of stone. I don't think it's marble. But 2 bread makers.
$1 a piece.
$1 a piece.
And then this was a flat. I paid $1 for the Golden magazine for boys and girls. Do you remember that?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, I barely. I think this may be handmade. Well, I don't know. I thought it was ceramic, but it's not.
Chalkware.
No. I think it's plastic. It's cute though.
And this plate's just stamped USA. We got a Chrissy doll in the original box, but the box is crap.
Yeah.
But this is what Marcy really wanted. Baby orange blossom. Original box.
You squeeze her tummy and she blows you an orange scented kiss. Is that not the cutest thing ever?
Out her mouth.
Yeah.
I've learned you never squeeze a baby's tummy.
No.
Bad things happen.
Yes. I thought it would be worth anything. If not, I mean, I can use it for...
What's a Michigan medium?
I don't know.
Is that its own special size?
Probably... I'm not even in the comments.
Is it medium or Michigan medium?
What's in there? This is a jewelry box.
Is it empty?
Yeah, it should be. It's like, it's heavy. I mean, well, heavier than it looks. But it screams 70s. I got it for $1. I don't regret a lot of things.
Don't say that.
I
still love you.
It's full of linens. So the linens I paid, I don't know, like $5 or $7 for.
Those rugs?
These, no, they're placemats.
Oh. So is it a hamper?
I believe it is. I mean, you could probably use it for whatever, but I believe it's a hamper for a bedroom.
I think if you played a flute and a snake would come out of it.
They had one of those there. So.
Oh, she's hot.
Not sure what's going on with this doll.
Punk rock Barbie.
Yeah, I wanted this.
Pippi Longstocking.
Yeah.
And miscellaneous little dollies. Was that a little egg?
Yeah.
Is it metal?
Yep. Isn't that cute?
That's interesting.
That might be a strawberry shortcake something or other. I don't know.
Looks like strawberry short bus.
Well, that totally made it all worth it for me.
We could sell that to Roy for
What?
$100.
No, I'm not selling that.
My friend Becky looks like Chucky's sister.
How much did you pay for those?
I bought a basket of batteries. Basket of batteries for $3.
Ooh.
Now Mike Brunner thought that was possibly a USA pottery or California pottery.
Oh, nail salon.
Look, that's a hemp back brace, I guess. Hemp fauna.
You know what I thought that was?
No.
A target practice for
Laser tag?
No, Nerf guns.
It's funny because you're kind of anti-Oreo in Walmart.
I'm not paying $10 for a box of cookies.
If you love me, you would.
No.
Okay.
So this I paid $10 for. What?
You just said I'm not paying $10 for Oreos.
I said a box of cookies.
Oh, so but you'll pay $10 for 2 cookies.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
They're double stuffed, so they're totally worth it. I just thought it's advertising. There are people out there that collect stuff. Oreo's very popular.
I don't even remember what I paid for 3 boxes of VHS, and I paid next to nothing for them. It might have been $1 a box. It might have been like $2.50 a box.
The UDC stuff sells pretty well. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I didn't even see those 12-pack of blanks.
Yeah, but they're not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 7 in there.
So what? That'll work. I got a Kobe DVD player. It's a cheap brand, but
Did you see that great big one?
big what?
Chantilly.
Yeah, I did. That's huge.
I know. That's what I was thinking.
That's mom size, family size.
Yeah,
Is that an apple?
I think so.
Yeah, I just said if they're not worth anything, at least we'll smell good.
Hawaiian white ginger.
White ginger, like Nate?
Yeah.
Alright, I got this. Oh, I got 2 DVD players. This one's a Sony. I did not know that. I got this portable boom box. RCA dual cassette. my last box of VHS, which has some Agatha Christie from the BBC. It has All Creatures Great and Small from the BBC. Seize the Day, Dr. Dolittle 2. Ma and Pa Kettle. No, I Spy. Those are sealed. That could be interesting. We got Benji. I was very happy you got this one. First of all, I think I've seen this napkin holder before.
I don't think
with
I've
the
ever
owls.
seen it. It looks like it's crooked though.
There's two of them.
Oh,
Oh, maybe it's not a napkin holder. Maybe it's bookends.
I was thinking they look like bookends.
But this is a Pyrex set that I've never seen before.
Yeah.
These canisters.
I didn't realize they were Pyrex until you told me.
And maybe that's why we were able to get them. Maybe nobody knew they were Pyrex.
Oh, somebody else knew because he was bidding against me.
Who was that?
My friend Eric.
Dang you, Eric. I got these box of spooky books for free because nobody bid on them. So I just took them.
Oh, what?
These were free, the scary books.
Oh, sorry.
Most of there's one Agatha Christie book in there.
Yeah.
But most of them are non-fiction, and then there are some novels in here too. So that's kind of cool. Like this big one, Ghosts. I don't remember what I paid for this flat, but this was after everyone else picked over some of the collectible stuff. I got a Packer Nutcracker, Packer Nutcracker, Packer notepad thingy, piggy bank, Fuku. That's kind of cool. Packer helmet, little stuffy Favre bear. Smells like Favre. A Packer tape measure. Stainless steel Packer mug. I don't know what's in this tin. Coasters, I think. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah. Little thing of Packer coasters. And a little Favre mini thingy. And another ornament.
The mugs are pretty uneventful.
They are, but there's some cool ones.
Except for the mushroom one. Who does not want a mushroom mug? For $1.
For $1. And there's just some cute ones in here, like a coffee prescription one, and there's a Disney World one.
This one is kind of cool because it's bubbled. I've never seen one like that before.
Nice.
See, that is like 3D.
And from Super Bowl 31 mug. And Kelly Springfield tires. We got a couple of those. I got a Sony camera. This was cheap. Handycam Vision. I think I paid $1. I might have paid up to $2.50. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it's part of something else. The silo is coasters. Whole bunch of John Deere coasters. Dante cufflinks and tie pin. Legend of the Hell House. That looks like a family flick. So I don't know. That's kind of interesting. Tell you what. Me too. We're gonna get all this inside now and then pretend it's not there for a day because we're tired. So thanks for coming along with us. I hope you had fun. We did. Next week we may be recording with Mr. Nady Pie at an auction. We'll see. Thanks everyone. Bye. Yeah. Private eyes. Hi doggy. They're watching you. I didn't record any of that.
Oh.
I bet you regret that.
I just dropped the camera. It wasn't even on. I dropped it. I didn't know what it was.
Yeah, I set it down because I didn't want it to fall off. Actually, it fell off, but don't tell Mercy. We gotta get this shit in before the storms come.